at the skate park with the crew. Pretty tired and sore, so we'll see what I can bust out. But yeah, we're gonna have some fun though. Do a kickflip. Damn, you have those down. Landed a bunch of good tricks, pretty solid, getting my consistency back. Time to do some bank tricks. Need to go faster. Woohoo! There it is. First time, let's go. You. Props for at least trying it, dude. That's fucking gnarly. It's insane.
Yeah. Wait. Look at this. Look
Coming back.
Coming back to that leash.
Oh! Ooh. That's gnarly. On that note, I think I'm gonna call it a night. You all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Pray for this guy's ankle. Peace out.